Enjoy payment flexibility and an easier way to pay business bills directly from your Capital One business account. Let's dive in. Sign in to Capital One Business and click on Manage Accounts Payable. Then click Get Started. If it's your first time, accept the terms and conditions and verify your identity. Great, you're in. To schedule a new payment, first choose how you want to add your bill. You can enter the bill details manually, upload a PDF or image file, or sync with a compatible accounting software from settings. Add your vendor's business name, bill amount, payment frequency, and due date. Continue to schedule the payment in just a few clicks. Now, choose how you want to pay. You can use your Capital One business card with a small processing fee to pay vendors even if they don't accept it, deferring payment for up to 45 days and earning rewards. There are no processing fees when you use your Capital One business card to send a virtual card payment on the next screen, or when choosing to pay with your bank account. Your vendors will receive payments however you choose, by ACH, check, or virtual card. If your vendor accepts cards, you can send them a virtual card. This one-time use credit card number keeps your account details private and allows same-day payments without any fees. Not sure how your vendors prefer to be paid? We'll send them an email to ask. Let's select ACH Bank Transfer. Add your vendor's bank account details. You only need to do this once. You're almost there. Pick the date for the payment to be deducted from your account and sent to your vendor. If you prefer, leave your vendor a note to let them know what the payment is for. Review your payment details. You can change any detail by clicking the Edit button. Everything looks good. Now click Confirm and Schedule Payment. That's it. Your payment is now scheduled. From the dashboard, you can review all your scheduled and completed payments. A couple more things to improve your workflow. Save time by adding account managers to handle vendor payments. It's free and easy to set up. Just click Manage Account Users from your main dashboard. Automate your payments by syncing with QuickBooks Online, QuickBooks Desktop, or Xero. Click Accounting Software Sync. Select your preferred accounting software and click Connect. Your bills and vendors will automatically populate, simplifying your reconciliation and saving you time on manual entry. Now, try it yourself and see how easy payments can be.